Hello, HM here. In this video I'm going to show you how to get some containers of all shapes and sizes that you can use to store things that you make in your kitchen and also get them completely free. There's a thing about it, you go into the supermarket and you buy all kind of stuff, but it comes in glasses with lids that are actually quite good for storing stuff, and they could have a second life if you clean off the paper labeling that's on these products. All of my glasses here are basically from something I bought in the supermarket, and then I cleaned up the glasses so that it didn't have the original labeling, and also all my spice glasses here. And now I just have to make some quince paste and also some quince jam, and I need more glasses. So what I do in order to remove the labeling is, I can give you an example. I have a glass here. You boil it in a big pot and do it for an hour or so, and then while it's still hot, you basically take this off. You can get it off when it's hot. You can see here I can kind of get it off, but then there's some glue still left on the glass. And you need to take that off with some gasoline stuff. I have it right here. In Danish it's called mineralsk terpentin. You can find something that can remove glue. It has to be able to dissolve this glue. And basically what you take, I took a paper towel and then you soak this paper towel in with this gasoline or what it is called. And then you just dissolve this glue here. The little trick is that you can flip the paper around. Just did it here. And then perhaps put a little extra of this on it, because then this glue that I already got from the first rubbing here, there's no glue in the paper when you do this flipping of the paper, and then it's easier to get it off. It's not completely off, I can see, but I'll turn this around like this and give it even more. And of course you can say, well, I don't want to spend my time a couple of minutes cleaning this off. I'll just buy some containers somewhere. Yeah, you can do that, but then again, then you contribute unnecessary to a lot of garbage that we throw into landfills and so forth. And so I think you do the world a favor by reusing these glasses, and they're for free. You also save a little bit of money, and you probably get a container that's more suited for your use case. So I think there's a lot of good reasons to do this. Maybe I should say that if you want to discard of this, it kind of stinks of gasoline and you don't want to have it sit in your garbage bin. You want to take it completely out in the big garbage bin outside, or you will, maybe that's not good for the environment, but it's so little I have used here, only a milliliter or so. I rip this up in smaller pieces and flush it out in my toilet. That's another way to get rid of it so it doesn't stink in your apartment. But anyway, that's just what I wanted to say with this video, a short video about how to get free containers for your kitchen needs. So thank you very much for listening to my video here. I wish you a fulfilling life in freedom and democracy. Goodbye.